Hally Walgenbach and Dale Flett are the only men to be named co-champions of the Calgary Stampede Rangeland Derby Championship in 1961, when both drivers finished the show tied with an aggregate time of 7:03 and 7. Beginning in 1963, chuckwagons were timed to the 1/100th of a second, and no tie has happened since. Oddly enough, it was the second time the two men shared the Calgary Stampede Championship. In 1959, Dale Flett suffered a broken leg partway through the show, and Hally Walgenbach took over as the driver for Dale Flett's chuckwagon. The Peter Bodden outfit, with Hally Walgenbach at the reins, won the Calgary Stampede Rangeland Derby Championship, and he and Dale Flett were both given credit for winning the championship. Hally also drove Dale Flett's outfit the remainder of the season to capture the World Championship as well. This cemented Hally Walgenbach's reputation as a chuckwagon driver who could drive and win with any outfit. For another chuckwagon fun fact, I'm Billy Melville. This Billy Melville fun fact has been brought to you today by the Alberta College and Association of Chiropractors. If it hurts, see a chiropractor.